Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. During the FTX crisis, falling for the bankruptcy, we were discussing Bitcoin. Today, it's time to discuss a long and medium term when it comes to the Ethereum. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. All right, so that's the weekly chart of the Ethereum, and the things doesn't look good when we are going to have a closer look. Well, with the big sell-off we've seen when it comes to the crypto, we retest the levels close to 850. But I would say, and as of now, cannot be ruled out the retest of this level over here, and taking into the consideration what is going on, we are talking about the levels below 700. From the weekly chart perspective, well, that could be the case, especially if we are going to take out the latest low we've seen here. All right, and if we are going to see some kind of the stop hunt, that could be the case over here. As of now, as you can see, we are trying to move by equal waves. So taking into the consideration FOMC minutes, I'm not gonna be surprised to see attempt to one more bounce, and then with the equal move to the downside, trying to retest 700. That's the bearish case scenario, especially the latest price action. As you can see, we are still doing the lower highs, and we are starting with this latest cycle moving the lower lows. Of course, the key thing is here around this swing low 850, and if we are going to break through, then 700, 630 could be the name of the game when it comes to the sellers. What about the buyers on this weekly chart? Well, the thing is that we need to take out with the weekly close, right? We have to get back above 1,800. That's the first easy target, and above 2,000, that's the second target, and trying to clear the mess we've seen lately when it comes to the bear market. The weekly close above 2,300 could produce the further rally up towards 3,270, 3,300, but that's not for now, in my opinion. So overall, the next few weeks, the next few days, and price action we are going to see is going to tell us a little bit more story. What we have when it comes to the daily chart. On the daily chart, market is trying to find a little bit of the bottom, trying to take the breath. Not good thing is here, this consolidation, because we were trying to run away from that, but we didn't even hit 1,800. We've seen strong Niagara Falls. So right now, that's, as you can see, it's very well visible here. We just retest on that particular day. Let me tell you what was it. It was the rally from the 10th of November. It was just the retest of this consolidation we discussed second ago, as you can see over here. Since then, we are moving lower. With that being said, if that's the thing, we might try to make the easy measure, trying to find where is the first possible target. And as you can see, is the middle of that zone from the weekly chart around 700. With the stop count, it could easily reach 630. All right, daily close above 1,000 2800, so the same as on the weekly, and again above 2020 is needed to try to delay the bearish case. And if we are going to take into the consideration this as a whole consolidation, right, weekly close above 2020 in that case could push us higher within the same size of the consolidation move up towards 3200, but that's only when we are going to see the close above this weekly zone we discussed it second ago. All right, so that's the Ethereum versus dollar. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the Ethereum versus Bitcoin. If there is any chance that overall when it comes to the crypto market that the Ethereum might be a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. So if we are going to see the rally, then the Ethereum might be the better choice. As you can see, as of now, 0.084 is a strong supply line based on this weekly chart here, and here. When it comes to the possible demand line, it's a little bit lower, and I would say I would treat this one as a stop hand level. All right, so in that case I would say that the demand line is around 0.056. Okay, so taking that into the consideration from the weekly chart perspective, I see the possibility that we are going to go higher from here, especially if you do remember once we were visiting the Ultrasound Money website and we were producing plenty of ETH. Right now ETH is deflationary. If we are going to break the supply line at 0.084, we might try to reach 0.10, 0.11. In case of the lower break, that's the plan B, because as of now I see the possibility to go higher. We might retest the low around 0.03 in that case. So as of now, buy low, sell high, and look for the breakout. I see for now a little bit bigger chances for a higher levels and retest of 0.10, 0.11. Guys, with that being said, wish you great next trading session. As usual, do your own homework, do your own research, and be safe on the market, especially during these times. We are approaching end of the year. It was my pleasure to prepare this update for you. See you around, take care, and goodbye.